Hey YouTube, I'm the Mechanic Man, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to replace a generator pull cord. And to begin, you will start by removing the 4 bolts on the pulley. The number of bolts may vary depending on the generator and model. After you have those removed, you're going to pull the broken rope out of the recoil. Now that the rope is out, you're going to have to match your old rope with the new rope. Now this part is super important because if your rope is too long, it'll clog up your recoil, and if it's too short, then it won't start your engine.
You are not a paid actor, Kilo.
Now you're going to cut the old rope to the new rope size. Now you have to broaden the end so it doesn't fray. Now you're going to stick the rope through this hole and then this hole. It's very important that these are in parallel or else it won't go through. Now you're going to tie a knot right here so the rope doesn't fall out. Now you're going to pull the rope out of the handle. Now you're going to stick the rope through this part, and then you're going to stick it through here. Now you're going to tie one more slip knot. Make sure it's tight, and then reinsert the handle. Tie one more slip knot. Make sure it's tight. So now you're going to spin 5 times. And after that, it should return. Now you're going to reinstall the bolts. You're going to start off by hand tightening the bolts to get them on, because if you don't, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. Now that all the bolts are bolted on, it should engage within the engine while you spin it. And recoil back. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments down below. And please like and subscribe. This is Mechanic Man signing off.